over today's target. I can determine the missing side length of a polygon when given the area. Remember, a polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. An area is the space inside of a closed shape. A real-life example would be if you were trying to figure out how many square tiles you would need to cover your kitchen floor. You would line up those tiles side by side, edge to edge, without any overlapping or gaps, and it would cover the entire inside space of your floor. And that would be an example of area. And again, we're going to be given the area today, and we're going to be missing one of our side lengths. So to help us figure this other side length out, we're going to use our knowledge of fact families to rewrite our equations in the form of a division sentence to help us find that missing side length. So let's look at this first example. I have a rectangle, and one side length is 4, and the other side is unknown. It's missing. However, they gave us the area at the bottom. Our area is 36 square units. So let's solve this and break it down into steps. Step 1, we're going to write this equation with the facts that they gave us. So I know one side length is 4, the other is unknown. I know that my equation would normally be 4 times blank equals area. And since they gave us the area, I can use this in my equation. 4 times blank equals 36. So this reminds me when we solved for missing factors earlier in the year. So I'm going to go to step 2 and rewrite this using my knowledge of fact families. So since I'm missing one of my factors, I can rewrite this as a division sentence. You have to make sure that your total is the first number in your division sentence. So it has to be written 36 divided by 4 equals blank. We cannot write it as 4 divided by 36. Your total has to come first, just like in subtraction. After I rewrite this equation into a division sentence, I can solve this. If you don't know what 36 divided by 4 is, you can use groups, equal groups, arrays, or any of those division strategies that we've gone over before to help you solve for this answer, the quotient. So I can draw 4 groups and put 1 dot in each until I get to 36. And I would find that there would be 9 dots inside each of my groups. So my missing side length would be 9. And I can check myself and rewrite this equation with the new number that I found and write 4 times 9 and draw those groups, draw an array, something to check myself and make sure that 4 times 9 does in fact equal 36 square units. So let's do this example. I have a shape shown on my screen. I'm given one of my side lengths and the other is missing, but they tell me the area is equal to 28. So I'm going to write the equation that I would normally use to solve for area. I know area is length times width, so 7 times blank, because I don't know the width, equals 28. And again, since I'm missing one of my factors, I can use division to help me. If I don't know what times 7 equals 28, again, I can use division, and I'm going to rewrite this and make sure that my total, 28, is the first number of my division sentence. So 28 divided by 7 equals blank. And now I can draw equal groups to help me solve this. I can draw 7 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I would put 1 dot in each group until I get to 28. So there's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And inside each circle are 4 dots, so my missing side length must be 4. And notice, it doesn't say 28 square units, it says 28 square feet. So really and truly, my missing side length would be 4 feet. Looking at this example, I have 3 inches for one of my side lengths and the other is unknown, but they gave me the area. Again, I can rewrite this into a multiplication sentence that I would use to normally find the area. So what equation could I use, or what kind of multiplication sentence would match this picture? I could write 3 times blank equals 15. Since I'm missing one of my factors, I'm missing one of my side lengths, I can rewrite this as a division sentence. Again, your total must come first in division. 15 divided by 3 equals blank. Again, if you don't know what that quotient or answer is, you can draw 3 groups and put 1 dot in each until you get to 15. So there's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And inside each group are 5 dots. So my missing side length must be 5 inches. And again, they're giving me that unit of measurement in this problem. Let's try this one out. See if you can solve the missing side length for this rectangle. Pause the video and then press play to watch me solve this. So first things first, I would write 7 times blank equals 42. Since I'm missing a factor, I can use division to rewrite this, making sure that my total is first. 42 divided by 7, I can draw 7 groups and put 1 dot in each until I get to 42. And my answer would be 6 inches. So 7 inches times 6 inches would give me 42 square inches. Okay, last one. Again, pause the video, and then when you are finished and you have found that missing side length, press play to see how I solved this. So step 1, I'm going to write that multiplication sentence. 6 times blank equals 18 square centimeters. Again, to find area, we multiply length times width. Since I'm missing a factor, I'm going to rewrite this using division. Again, my total comes first in division. 18 divided by 6 equals blank. If I don't know this, you can use equal groups. Draw 6 groups and put 1 dot in each until you get to 18. And that quotient or answer would be 3. So my missing side length would be 3 centimeters. So if you are missing one of your side lengths, but they give you the area, use your knowledge of fact families to rewrite the equation into a division sentence and solve for that unknown number.